Hey, this is Mike from Altair Aerial here today with the Altair Falcon AHP Autonomous Hover and Positioning Drone. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the trim functions. With the AHP drone, you're rarely going to need to use the trim, but if you do, what the trim does is simply, if the drone's flying and it's going a little bit left and you want to trim it back right, you can use the trim to do that. Or if it's tilting forward and it shouldn't be, you can trim it back. So you can trim it left, right, forward, or back. Using the controller, you can trim during flight. You press directly down on the left controller to turn the trim on. Then if you want to trim it left, you use the right stick to go left, and every beep is sort of one tick on the trim. So you can trim it left or trim it right, and you can trim it back by pressing down or forward. So if the drone is not hovering well and it's floating left or right, forward or back, use the trim to adjust.